In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a duplicate MailerLite landing page. Whether you're looking to build upon a successful design or simply want to streamline your workflow, duplicating a landing page can save you time and effort. Let's dive into the process and make it as straightforward as possible for you. First things first, you'll need to log into your MailerLite account. If you haven't opened the application yet, go ahead and open MailerLite in your web browser. Enter your login credentials and sign in. Make sure that you have access to the correct account where your landing pages are located. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your account dashboard and you're all set to proceed to the next step. Next, we'll head over to your landing pages. Depending on which version of MailerLite you're using, you'll either navigate to the Sites section or the Landing Pages section. Both serve the same purpose, displaying a list of all the landing pages you've previously created. Once you're in the right section, you should see all your landing pages neatly organized in a list. Now it's time to locate the specific landing page that you wish to duplicate. Take a moment to browse through your list. If you've named them descriptively, finding pages like Webinar Signup Page should be relatively straightforward. Find the title that matches the page you intend to duplicate. This ensures you're working on the correct project and prevents any unintended changes or duplicates. Once you've pinpointed your desired landing page, you'll want to open the More Options menu. To do this, look for the three-dot icon, often referred to as the ellipsis or kebab menu, found directly next to your landing page item. Click on this menu to unveil additional functions associated with the page. With the Options menu now open, your next step is to select the Duplicate option. By doing so, MailerLite will create a complete copy of your landing page, templates, layout, and content included. This feature is incredibly useful if you have recurring campaigns or similar projects, as it allows you to maintain brand consistency without starting from scratch every time. And there you have it. You've successfully duplicated your MailerLite landing page, ready to be edited or launched as needed. Duplicating landing pages not only simplifies your workflow, but allows for greater creative exploration, as you can experiment with different designs without impacting your original work. Remember, this process can be repeated as often as necessary, so feel free to duplicate and manage your landing pages to best suit your needs. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing!